Good. Silva. Wala pa din. Odihar. Villamor. At maubos na ang oras dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. 36-114 in favor of Kuya Word. Ano doon? Doon siya sabi. Ayan o kasama.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
And that ends the fifth game for today with a score of 114 and 36. And with a score of 136 in favor of Kuya Word's X Pinsanity Basketball. This is their consecutive win from their win yesterday, and we have a different best player for today. We have jersey number 25, Manalang, as our best player for today. Yan. Jersey number 25, Manalang, this is your first time being best player for this league. Anong pakiramdam na ikaw yung naging maganda yung naging takbo ng laro nyo? Una pa lang talagang nagli-lead na yung score nyo sa kalaban nyo. Anong pakiramdam na ganun yung nagiging performance ng team nyo for today?
Masaya po.
Yan, masaya. At ano sa tingin mo yung kaya mo pang ibigay at ng team nyo sa mga susunod pa na laro?
Ano po, panatilihin po yung standing namin na wala pong talo.
Ayan, yan. Yan naman yung fighting spirit natin talaga. To stay undefeated up until the end of our league. And with that, once again, congratulations to Pinsanity X Kuya Word Basketball. And abangan naman natin na magiging laban sa pagitan ng SCBA Elite versus Batang R2B. Kaya tutok lang dito sa ating Facebook Live at i-like and share na natin ang ating live as well as ang ating Facebook page para for more updates. Yan. Thank you. Thank you, Mang Greg.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga.